In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Coinbase to Koinly. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Wallets up top, and from here, you want to click on Add Wallet or Exchange, and you want to search for Coinbase. Now, usually, it's going to be under Popular up top, but if it's not, just search for it, so Coinbase like that. There we go, and then you want to click on it, so there's a bunch of different ones. We're doing this for the basic Coinbase now. And then here you have either the option to import from a file, so if you have like a CSV or something where you have your transaction history, you could use that, or you could also set up auto sync, which basically will allow you to just go ahead and click on continue to Coinbase, and this is going to take you to the login website on Coinbase, and all you have to do in here is just sign into your account using your email and your password. So put in your email, press continue, put in your password, press continue again, or of course you could also sign in with a passkey, Google or Apple, if that's what you're usually using, and whenever you do that, you'll basically just have to authorize it, and you'll see that it's going to connect your Coinbase account directly to Koinly. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.